Hi there. Today I'm going to show you how to use Google Keep. I am on a computer and I just want to note that you can also download the Google Keep app for your phone and it will sync from your phone to your computer. So it's accessible anywhere that you go. So once you're logged into your Google account, you're going to want to click on the waffle over here in the upper right hand corner. You're going to scroll down to the Google Keep icon, which is yellow with a light bulb on it. Once you click into that, you'll be taken to the landing page for Google Keep. And you'll see right here at the top is a space for you to already start taking any kind of note that you would like. If I click into that, you'll see that I can give it a title. So if I call this packing list, I can start taking a note. So if I start with personal items, and to make it a checklist where you can check items off, you need to click on the three-dot menu and select Show Checkboxes. You'll see now that my item now has a checkbox next to it. If I continue to add items, it will put a checkbox next to each item. Now what's nice is you can actually create headers. So if personal items is a heading and the other items go underneath that, I can grab it and pull it over, and those items are then put underneath the heading, so they're indented. If you start checking things off, you'll see that they move to the bottom underneath completed items. The box is checked and the item is struck through. Now, if you want to undo any of that, all you need to do is uncheck the boxes and it's moved back up to the top to reset the list. The other thing you'll notice is when you hover over each item, there are these dots that pop up. What that allows you to do is to reorder the items. So you can type out everything you need and then go back and organize it the way that you would like. I just want to point out a few more additional features. The first button down here at the bottom is the Remind Me button. So if you click on that, it allows you to choose different days and times to get a reminder about a particular item on your list. You'll also see it says Pick Place. That allows you to get a reminder based on your location. So when you arrive somewhere or when you leave somewhere, it will send you a reminder. The next button is the Collaborator button. This is that sharing feature that I mentioned in the blog. All you need to do is either type a person's name or email, and it will allow you to share your list with that person. So that might be a coworker, it could be a spouse, a partner, a child, whoever it is that you'd like to share the list with. You just enter that in here and click save, and then they will get a notification that the list has been shared with them. And then they have the ability to edit the list, add to the list, cross things off of the list. That way you can see in real time what's been done and what's left to do. The next button is the background options. So you'll see here you have some options for color backgrounds and then also some patterns. So for this one, I'm going to choose green, and you'll see it changes the color of my note to green. So you can choose a color coding system to help you organize your notes. The next button is add an image. When you click this button, it will take you to the file picker and on your computer, and you can select the image that you're looking for. Now you'll see down here, I have one of my custom headers that I created. I added that just as I showed you. You're just going to click that image button, go find the image that you want to add, and it pops it right at the top. Again, that's just another way to help you clearly identify what list is for what purpose and to have a more cohesive looking dashboard in Google Keep. The next button is the archive button. This is a way to archive your list. It's never gone. You can always retrieve it from archive. You'll see over on the left that there is an archive button, and when you click that, you can select the list from there that you had archived. Again, the three-dot menu gives you some additional options. You can delete a note, add a label, add a drawing, make a copy of the note. You can hide the checkboxes if that's not something you want to use any longer. And then you can also copy your note to Google Docs. And then beyond that, you have an undo and a redo button option. The only other thing I want to point out is that you do have the ability to pin your note. So if I select that pin in the upper right-hand corner, and then I close my note, you'll see that it does keep the pinned notes up near the top and easily accessible for you. So again, that is Google Keep. One last reminder that you can get the app for your phone, which is helpful, especially when you're out shopping, and it will sync between your phone and your computer. If you have any additional questions, please feel free to reach out to me either via email or social media.